Hey there tech lovers, did you know the iPad 10th generation comes with a surprising new design and features that might just make it the best tablet for students? Yeah, you heard that right. In this video we're diving into the world of the Apple iPad 10th generation. We'll unbox it together and review its amazing features and performance to see if it's really the right choice for students out there. So, let's get started. Alright, let's talk about a common problem many students face. Finding a tablet that strikes the perfect balance between performance, portability, and price can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. With so many options available, it's tough to know which one is truly worth it. Is the iPad 10th generation the solution to all those struggles? Can it handle the demands of schoolwork, streaming lectures, and maybe some gaming on the side? Let's find out. Now that we've set the stage, let's take a closer look at what the iPad 10th generation brings to the table. First off, the design is sleek and modern, with a 10.9-inch liquid retina display that's perfect for reading and watching videos. The colors are vibrant, and everything looks sharp, which is definitely a plus for students who spend long hours on their devices. Under the hood, it's powered by the A14 Bionic chip, which means it's fast and responsive, whether you're multitasking with a bunch of apps or diving into some heavy-duty gaming. And speaking of multitasking, the iPad OS 16 really shines here. It allows you to use split view and slide over features, making it super easy to take notes while watching a lecture or doing research for a project. Battery life? It's impressive. You'll get around 10 hours on a single charge, which is perfect for those long days at the library or in class. And let's not forget about the accessories. The Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard compatibility make this device even more appealing for students who want to take notes or type up assignments. When we compare it to other tablets on the market, the iPad 10th generation holds its own, especially against competitors like the Samsung Galaxy Tab or Microsoft Surface. While those are great devices too, the seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem gives the iPad a slight edge, particularly for students already using other Apple products. Now, let's get to the good stuff, the standout features that really make the iPad 10th generation a game-changer for students. First, the camera system. With a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera, video calls with classmates or professors look crystal clear. Plus, the center stage feature keeps you in the frame, even if you move around. How cool is that? Then there's the improved audio quality. This iPad comes with stereo speakers, which means your lectures and music will sound great. And let's not skip over the performance metrics. The A14 chip not only handles everyday tasks with ease, but it also excels in graphics-intensive applications, making it suitable for creative students who might dabble in video editing or graphic design. Finally, the iPad 10th generation supports 5G connectivity, ensuring you stay connected even when you're on the go. Whether you're in a coffee shop or a park, you can stream, download, and study without a hitch. So, to wrap things up, the iPad 10th generation truly packs a punch with its features and performance. It's designed to cater to the needs of students, making it a strong contender for the best tablet out there. With its sleek design, impressive specs, and seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem, it really does live up to the hype. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think about the iPad 10th generation? Do you think it's the best tablet for students? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other tech reviews and tips for more insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.